Hey, Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com, and we got another unboxing. I just got in my shipment of SUBOTECH Top Racing Series. This is the Tornado. I have the Tornado and the Boris. Yeah, the Boris. But this is just the Tornado. And these are just really great first-time RC cars. You know, it's not a high-end $400 car. It isn't. It's just for, you know, you want to get your first car, and it's a lot of fun, pretty durable. This is it. You know, these things retail for like $109. I've got them for $59.99. Okay, and this is the Boris, or I mean, this is the Tornado. Really nice car. You have shock absorbers, high-speed motors, rubber tires. I mean, let me give you the three classifications of RCs real quick. You have your low end, which is Walmart, you know, Speed Tech. There's a whole bunch of car companies. They use traditional AA batteries, okay? That's your low end. Then this is your middle end, which has servos. You know, this is four-wheel drive. Your battery is it's a 7.4 milliamp, so it's a chargeable battery, and it's a long-lasting, and they're available all over the internet, so it's easy to get a new one. And it comes, that all comes in this. So you get the whole car. You get shock absorbers, high-speed motors, metal differentials, metal gears. It's a high-impact nylon plastic. So it's a really durable car that you're getting, and that's what's really sweet. It's a great car for the great price. I got two different versions. I got the Tornado, and then another one we're going to be doing another video on. So normally $109.99, and we got this on sale for $59.99. And then the next video, we're going to take it out on the road and see how it runs.